Hi, I'm Angela. I'm a product specialist at Mother's Choice Products. Today I want to talk to you about our newest product, the Ameda Mya Joy. You might actually recognize this collection kit. It's the same Ameda collection kit that's used in all of the Ameda products. So you may have actually used one if you have used an Ameda Platinum pump in the hospital or an Ameda Elite pump in the hospital. The collection kit is unique. It offers a closed system, which means it's extremely safe for you and baby. This adapter cap is solid. There's no risk of any moisture or milk ever getting into your tubing. The silicone barrier prevents any milk from backing up into the flange or having any risk of getting it into the tubing. This flange is the part that goes on your breast, uses a standard bottle, and it has this unique silicone valve that controls the suction. If the valve opens a little bit or gets any micro tears in it, it can affect your suction, so just be careful when you're washing it. You don't need to scrub it. Just give it a little bit of a wash and a rinse and let it air dry. It fits snugly back on your flange, and then you just simply connect the bottle. The unique feature of the Mya Joy are these bottle holders that offer security when your bottles are filled. The machine itself is very lightweight, very portable, very easy to use. You can single pump or you can dual pump. To single pump, simply remove one of your collection kits and close the port. You can choose whatever is best for you. Hit the power button to turn it on. You'll see the screen tells you where it's at. It starts in stimulation mode. In order to increase the stimulation mode, you just hit the plus button. There's 6 settings. You find the one that fits your comfort zone. At 2 minutes, it automatically switches to the expression mode. If your letdown occurs prior to that, you can hit the mode button and it will switch to the expression mode, ready for you to collect your milk. Simply push the plus button or the minus button as needed to find your best setting for comfort. If you want to create a second letdown, you can easily hit the mode button and it will go back to your last saved settings of the stimulation mode. That's it. Your timer tells you how long you've been pumping. Very simple, straightforward. The Ameda Mya Joy offers the ultimate in portability. If you're not plugged into the wall, you can actually work it with 4 AA batteries. The back clips on, and there's a clip that you can place on your belt loop, on your waistband, or on a bag. The Ameda Mya Joy offers you quality, value for money, and ease of use. It's available now at online retailers or at your favorite baby store.